Hey, what's up folks? So today in this video I'm going to show y'all how to make a fried Old Bay shrimp with the fried garlic and honey Old Bay butter. So to get things started, I have 1 pound of peeled and cleaned shrimp, and I made sure that I pat that shrimp completely dry. And to that I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and pepper and garlic powder, and all of that stuff is optional. And so with the buttermilk, that really adds a nice coating and really helps the breading to really stick to the shrimp, because you know shrimp can be really pesky when you're trying to fry it up. So this buttermilk will really help everything stick to the shrimp. So just get everything nice and mixed and introduced to each other, and after that I'm going to show you all this breading that I made up. And so for the breading, I just have some cup of seafood breading, I have a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of pepper and garlic powder. And then you just want to mix that all up together in your bag of choice. You can use brown paper bag, Ziploc, which is what I use, you know, whatever you have. Tupperware, you've seen me do that before. And so once that is all mixed up, you just want to drop in your shrimp in small batches. And if you have a little bit of extra buttermilk left in your bowl, you can kind of like drop that little bit of extra buttermilk in there, because it'll create nice pockets of just more crispiness for you. And so once you mix that shrimp in the breading mix, just want to take it all out, and this is what you should have in a second if I can take it out. But yeah, this is what it should look like, and that lets you know that this shrimp is going to be nice and crispy. You can just already see how that breading is really stick to all those little nooks and crannies of the shrimp. And yeah, this is what we were going for. So just make sure you do that to all of your shrimp. I like to just do all of the breading at once, honestly. Some people prefer to kind of like bread it and fry it, and you know, do it kind of like back to back. But yeah, do whatever works for you. So now I'm done talking about that. So you want to drop your shrimp in some neutral cooking oil that's at about 360 degrees, between 360 365. Don't really go too much over that, because the shrimp will really probably cook too quickly and run the risk of really just burning everything. So once you drop your shrimp in there, make sure you don't really overcrowd the pan, because you want the shrimp to be nice and crispy, and if there's too much shrimp in there, the temperature will go down and the shrimp will just kind of be soggy. So about 2 to 3 minutes later, this is what your shrimp should be looking like. Perfectly crispy, perfectly golden brown, and you honestly really could just leave it right here. So yeah, that shrimp looks pretty good right there already how it is. But I want to just amp it up a little bit more, so I'm going to make this fried garlic and honey Old Bay butter. So you just want to go with a tablespoon of butter to start off with, and a couple of cloves of garlic that I chopped up, and sizzle it and saute it for about 1.5 minutes or so on medium heat. And then right before that garlic is burning, you want to go in with about 3 to 4, 2 to 3, you know, it's your preference of more butter. And that just creates a nice, rich, luscious, buttery sauce. Then you want to go with a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, a little drizzle of honey, mix that all up together, and this butter is done. And so after that, you just want to just drizzle this butter all over the top of that shrimp. Make sure that the butter doesn't really cool too much, or to get a little bit too clumpy. And you have that honey in there, so it's going to stick to the shrimp as soon as you pour it on there, which is definitely what I wanted. It kind of gives you like a candied kind of shrimp kind of vibe. But y'all, that honey with the Old Bay really sets everything off, and you really taste the Old Bay all the way down to the meat of that shrimp. So I definitely hope you try this quick recipe out. Thank y'all so much for watching. You can hit the like button if you want to. You can leave me a comment down below. You can subscribe to the channel if you'd like. And yeah, y'all, I'll see you in the next video. Later.